Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over how to do a roundhouse kick. Now let's get started. Before we do the roundhouse kick, the only thing I would like you to have an idea of is a front snap kick, which looks like this. Basically all you're doing, you're picking your knee up bent, extending your leg, rechambering, put it back down. The only difference between that and a roundhouse kick is instead of kicking up, you're kicking sideways for your roundhouse. Now let's break it down. Now that we understand the front snap kick, let's break down the roundhouse kick. So from your fighting position, you're going to first start with that back leg is going to drive up bent. You're not going to go out sideways and you're not going to bring it up straight-legged. Back leg comes up, knee is bent. That's the first thing. Now, once you get into that position, this is where we turn it into the roundhouse kick. Once your knee comes up, you're going to pivot your standing foot, your hips and your shoulders in the direction of your kick. Once you're there, you're in your roundhouse chamber. All you're going to do is extend that leg out, bring it back, and that's going to be the roundhouse kick. So, knee comes up bent. We're going to pivot, standing foot, hips, shoulders in the direction of the kick, extend the leg out, rechamber, put it back down. Since this is specifically for Taekwondo, we're going to be aiming with the top part of the foot, lower instep. So last, knee comes up, pivot, flick the leg out, bring it back down. And that is your basic roundhouse kick. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more tips and tutorials, make sure you guys subscribe. And also, if you want to keep up with other things that I'm doing, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description down below. I'll see you guys later.